Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here. Walter at the workbench. So, last time we were together, we sharpened these three chisels. Each one has a slightly different profile, from hollow ground to straight ground to freehand with a slight convex grind. This is my second attempt at doing this video because I found something that I could be wrong, but I want your opinion on it. So with the hollow ground, where we only have a very slight sharp edge at the top and the rest is all hollow, I noticed that when I was chopping, your bevel pushes away the waste. So if you were doing a mortise, you'd be going straight down and the waste needs to go somewhere. So that's why when you start a mortise, you start shallow and then you turn your chisel around, turn around, and you start creating a cavity where the waste has someplace to go. So with the hollow ground one, I was getting the feeling, so I'm going to go at about 1/8 of an inch. Now granted, this is a wider chisel. And then if I take the straight beveled one or the flat honed one, and I'm feeling a little bit of a burr there. And we go do that same 1/8 of an inch or maybe even a little more. That feels, in my opinion, like it is pushing the waste away a little easier. And I will say this much, all these chisels are not super hard. So here's the convex one. Once again, I go for about 1/8 of an inch. And it's a narrower chisel. It's not going to take much of a blow. But watching it, I feel it is pushing the chips away quicker. So in order to do a proper test, I would have to take one chisel, hollow grind it, and then sharpen it, test it, and then straight grind it, sharpen it, test it, and then by that time I would be creating a slight convex face. So let me know what you think. I want your opinion. Go check your chisels and see if you've got any that have a slight convex. And then see if you've got some that are pure flat. or hollow ground. And you tell me, I mean, as far as other tasks like paring, bevel up, bevel down, doesn't matter, on the hollow grind or the flat, although getting the chisel to start cutting is easier with the hollow grind. Because remember I mentioned in the last video, if from tip to heel it's 25 degrees, okay, you're actually lower here. So you're a very low angle there. So that tip is not going to be as durable. This one here is straight, so you got a pure 25 there, or 35, or whatever you set it at. Here, we've got a blunter edge, so making this a stronger edge, stronger chisel. It's just when you go to use it, bevel up doesn't matter, but bevel down, you're at a higher angle. As for resharpening, the hollow grind will sharpen really fast, the straight the slowest, and the convex fast, because all you're going to do is go, you're done. That's about it. Like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comment section how you sharpen your chisels, and if you notice any of them when you're excavating out for anything, a hinge, a lock, a mortise, if any of them seem to push the waste out of the way quicker. Thanks for stopping by. Walter out.